Hello friends, I am Prabhat and you are watching Throttle and Tales. This is gonna be my first video on the YouTube channel and I'm going to start with some unexplored places. So first place will be Mandaragiri Hills, which is around 65 kilometers from the Bangalore. These are my friends. We decided to meet on a common point and from here we'll start our journey. So let's go!
No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
So we have just now crossed the Neelmangala toll and from the location we are around 31 kilometers. So let's enjoy the journey.
No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
The ride was so comfortable thanks to Royal Enfield. So we reached the destination and here there will be some toll and you need to pay 20 rupees per vehicle for your parking. And now we are heading towards the hill and at the bottom only you can park your vehicles. If you want you can take your helmets with you, or if you want you can park it in your vehicle itself, but at your own risk. So let's go on top of the hill and let's see what's there.
I won't go down to the parties that my eyes are shut and they're glowing red. I don't need sleep 'cause it's all in my head. It's all in my head. It's all in my head. You can find me on the dance floor, moving like a zombie for sure. My skin is looking paler. I'll figure it out later. Don't be so concerned. It's exaggerated.
So when you get down from the hill, you see a way on your right side. So when you follow that road, you'll see a very beautiful location. We are heading towards that. Let's see what we got there. Place is very nice, very peaceful, and there are less visitors here, so you won't find overpopulation. or too many people around here. You can spend your time as much as you want. Very beautiful.
You can find me on the dance floor, moving like a
After Mandaragiri, we headed to this place called Lakeview Go-karting, which was in our way while returning to Bangalore. So a different video I'll upload for this go-karting thing. Thank you so much for watching and keep supporting.